Awesome. Okay, so you're getting this. Yeah?
Hey.
Alright, here's the thing. This one's okay, so what are we guys doing? What are we doing? Just remind me. We're going from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? More open hand stuff, more focusing on
Just sit on the floor.
Continuous stuff. What you don't want to be doing in your own training, and this is for the instructors who are teaching this, is not this stop-start with breathing. For example, it's not every time I breathe, sing like individually, it's like I'm stopping, starting. Remember the rule, when I stop, he starts. So as far as I'm concerned in this self-defense little equation, as soon as he attacks, as soon as I start moving and I roll, I stop him from punching back. But if he wants to grab, that's the last thing he should do. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Makes sense? Continuous. Yeah? So when you're starting now, on that technique there, okay, so you want to just roll through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. See, now I'm actually using front of the hand, back. It doesn't matter if it's that way or that way. It's just, I'm just moving. Does that make sense? It's not about being fast, it's about continuous. So from this position, continuous. Yeah? Not like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? And none of this stuff here. The hand comes back when I kick. The hand stays out. So I want you to do it slower, but flowing. Flowing here. 1, 2, 4. See that? So it's bouncing off this opponent as well. What if it was a grab and he punches me and I hold it tight and I couldn't get it off? It doesn't matter. I just bounce off it to there. I go bounce and I can come back again for 1 shot. Does it make sense? Okay? So it's just more flowing action, that's all. Just flow. Is that cool? And you can, I don't care what you do now, you can add things. You can start from this position and grab. Strike, he moves out the way, punches out, then we flow. Make sense? As soon as possible, I'm thinking about all the principles. Goju, Kime, consistent flowing, push-pull. That's consistent flowing. Guard up, awareness. What a lot of people are doing, and it's not a bad thing yet, because we're learning, but you're already doing things like this. Here, 1. And then doing this stuff. See that? Or it drops back to here. Okay, Kime is full body, full focus, everything in. It's like no one sits on the bench. It's like everyone's on the game. It's everyone's in right here. Yeah? So start from here where it's off a grab, or even off with just a strike from there. Okay. Then we'll start with this one now. Block. Again. 1, 2. Sense again, 1, 2 here. See that? Together. Again. Together. Yes? Together. So anything you want, start with what we had started with. Start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And always hands only back to here. Only back to here. No further down, not away. Not out here like this. Make sense? Notice how close to you. Even that reverse punch as well. Reverse punch, no, just reverse punch here. Start this sort of stuff here. Start working a bit faster, some of the high grades. Punch coming in, when you get to here. And then through. Here. Make sense? So I'm blocking, you can be going here, or if it's bigger than me, it goes there, then there. 1, 2, 3. Using my hips. Push forward. Speed, yeah? Get in here. And through. And whatever. Right, 3 points of contact whenever possible. 2 points of contact. None of this stuff. 1. See that? Stop. You want to reduce that time between techniques. This is mostly for the high grades, but all of you need to be visualizing this and working towards it. Here. Hey, I did this, and then he's going to do that. No good. He has his go. Okay? Not for massage. One here. So I can control. Here. Yeah? Tries to punch. I've got control. Tries to punch. I've got control. Does that make sense? So this is where we start to put all our 5 principles together so we can think more. Okay? And trial and error. Do some things that will be bad. Oh, no good, I missed. Ha ha ha. Okay? Not ha ha, oh my god, I'm bad. Ha, I missed. Doesn't matter, right? I'm gonna try it again. That's better. Try it again. That's better. And then you repeat, you repeat, you repeat.